Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Look now, in the previous lecture, we have taken two, three formulas. One for length formula, 1 upon V minus 1 upon U is 1 upon M. Then the formula for magnification, M is V upon U, which is equal to H2 upon H1. And third, power of a length, P is P1 plus P2 plus P3. If reciprocal of focal length is there, then 1 upon F, 1 upon F1 plus 1 upon F2 plus 1 upon F3. Now, depending upon that, we will solve some problems today. So, I'll dictate the problem, you should write the problem. 5 centimeter high object, 5 centimeter high object, each placed at a distance of 25 centimeter 25 centimeter from a converging lens of focal length of 10 centimeter 10 centimeter. Determine the position size and type of the image Look now, while solving the problem, first you need to write the given things. A 5 centimeter high object, that is height of the object is given. H1 is 5 centimeter. It's placed at a distance of 25 centimeter from a converging lens. So distance of object is given, that is U, 25 centimeter. Remember, object distance is always negative. Object distance is always negative. U is minus 25 centimeter from a converging length of focal length of 10 cm. Converging lens means convex lens. Converging means convex lens. Its focal length f is equal to 10 centimeter. Determine the position, size and type of the image. So to find first position of the image, then size of the image means height of the image h2, and then third type of the image, this nature. Type of image means nature you have to find. So no, here h1 is given 5 centimeter, u is minus 25 centimeter, f is 10 centimeter. You want to find v, h2 and type of image. So now, in the calculation, first 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is 1 upon f. This is the, say, length formula. Now you want to find the value of v. So we will keep the term of v on one side. So 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f plus 1 upon u. So therefore 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon f. Converging is convex lens, so that is why its focal length is positive. If diverging or concave lens is there, focal length is negative. So 1 upon v is 1 upon f is 1 upon 10 plus 1 upon u is 1 upon minus 25. So therefore, 1 upon V, this is equal to 1 upon 10 plus minus minus 1 upon 25. This 1 upon V is 1 upon 10 minus 1 upon 25. So 1 upon V is equal to, now if you take the LCM of 10 and 25, LCM is say 50. Now 10 into 5 is 50, 25 into 2 is 50. So it is 5 minus 2 upon 50. So therefore 1 upon V is 5 minus 2 is 3, 3 upon 50. So from that V is equal to 50 upon 3. So therefore V is equal to 3 1 are 3, 2 0 20, 3 6 are 18, again 2 0 20, so 3 6 are 18, so it is repeated. So 16.66 centimeter. If you want to write up to one decimal only, no, last digit is 6, which is more than 5, so add 1 to the previous digit, so it is 16.7 centimeter. You see what V to be 16.7 centimeter. Second, you want to find the value of H2. So V upon U is equal to H2 upon H1. Now we substitute the known values. So V is actually for calculation 50 upon 3. This is very simple compared to this. So we will take V as 50 upon 3. Then this is equal to, you want to find the value of H2, H1 you want to find, H1 is 5 centimeter. So now, here if you put H2 on one side, so before that, this 25 is 25 upon 1. Now to the left hand side, division is reciprocal of multiplication. This is 50 upon 3 into, so division is reciprocal of multiplication, so it is 1 upon minus 25. This is equal to H2 upon 5. So now 25, 1 the 25, 25 to the 50. So therefore it is 2 upon minus 3. This is equal to H2 upon 5. So from this, H2 is equal to, this 5 will come to this side, 5 to the 10, 10 upon 3. So H2 is equal to minus 3 3 is 9, 1 0, 3 3 is 9, again 1 0. So H2 is minus 3.33 centimeter. Look now, H2 is negative. H2 is negative is by sign convention it is inverted image. And any inverted image is always real. So what is the nature of the image? Real and inverted image is formed. Real and inverted image is formed. So answer of third question is real and inverted image is formed. Okay, that image is formed at a distance of 16.7 centimeter from the converging lens. Now write the proof. All of you understood the problem? Anybody is having any difficulty? Either in sign convention or nature?
Done, sir.
Done, sir.
Completed.
Okay, have you finished writing, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the next problem. Three lenses having power three lenses having power 2, 2.5 and 1.7 diopter is 2 diopter, 2.5 diopter and 1.7 diopter are kept touching in a row, are kept touching in a row. What is the total power? What is the total power of the lens combination? Total power of the lens combination. Look now, three lenses having power 2, 2.5 and 1.7 diopter. Means powers of P1 of three lenses. P1 is 2 diopter, P2 is 2.5 diopter, P3 is 1.7 diopter. That kept touching in a row. You want to find the total power of the lens combination. That is, you want to find the value of P. So can anyone tell me the formula to be used? P1, P2 and P3 are given. You want to find the resultant power of all the three convex lenses. These are the convex lenses because power is positive. Can anyone unmute yourself and tell me the formula? What is the total power? Yes, can anyone? No. Look now.
P is equals to P1 plus
P is
P2
equal to
plus
P1 plus P2 plus P3.
Correct. P is P1 plus P2 plus P3.
P is
Very
equal
good. So this is the resultant power. Absolutely
P
fine.
is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3.
P is equal to P1 plus P2 plus P3. Look, in the previous case, I had not made the separate formula because three formulas you want to use there simultaneously. You may not remember it. But if only one formula is there, usually you should add the separate formula column also. Now in the calculation, P is equal to P1 is 2, P2 is 2.5, P3 is 1.7. Now add all the three and tell me the answer.
Six point two.
6.2.
6.2.
Okay, good.
6.2.
P 6.2.
6.2.
Everyone got the answer? 6.2 diopter. Next problem. An object kept 60 centimeter 60 centimeter from a lens 60 centimeter from a lens gives a virtual image gives a virtual image 20 centimeter 20 centimeter in front of the lens 20 centimeter in front of the lens. What is the focal length of the lens? What is the focal length of the lens? Is it a converging lens? Is it a converging lens or diverging lens? Look now. An object kept 60 centimeter from a lens means it is a object distance. You know, object distance is always negative. That is, u is minus 60 centimeter. Gives a virtual image 20 centimeter in front of the lens. Means image is formed in front of the lens. Means image distance is also negative because image is formed to the left of the lens. So it is negative. That is, v is equal to minus 20 centimeter. What is the focal length of the lens? Means to find. First is focal length f of the lens. Second, is it a converging lens or diverging lens? So type of lens. Whether it is a converging lens or diverging lens. So again, two things you want to find. So that is up to you whether to write the formula separately or not. Otherwise, directly in the calculation you can write. So calculation. So now it's a lens formula. So 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is 1 upon f. So now we'll substitute the known variable. V is minus 20 minus of u is minus 60 is equal to 1 upon f. So therefore, minus 1 upon 20 is minus minus plus 1 upon 60. This is equal to 1 upon f. Now you know LCM of 60 and 20 is again 60. 23 is 60, so it is minus 3 plus 1. This is equal to 1 upon f. So now 1 upon f is equal to so therefore 1 upon f is equal to minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 upon 60. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 upon 60. So now 2 1s are 2 3s are. So therefore 1 upon f is minus 1 upon 30. So if you take the reciprocal, means f is equal to minus 30 centimeter. Means focal length is minus 30 centimeter. Look now, since focal length is negative, you know, for the concave lens or diverging lens, focal length is negative. So that is what type of a lens is diverging lens. Answer the second, since focal length is negative, therefore lens is diverging lens or concave lens. Diverging lens or concave. Finished? You completed the problem?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Next problem now. If an object is of 7 centimeter height, 7 centimeter height, and is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter 12 centimeter from a convex lens of focal length 8 centimeter, find position, nature and height of image. Position, nature and height of image.
So can you please repeat the question?
Yeah. If an object is of 7 centimeter height, 7 centimeter height, and is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter, 12 centimeter from a convex lens, of focal length 8 centimeter, find position, nature, and height of image. Look now, if an object is of 7 centimeter height, this height of the object, that is h1 is given 7 centimeter, and is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a convex lens. Means object distance is given. You know, object distance is always negative. Object distance is always negative. So you use minus 12. A focal length 8 centimeter. So f is 8 centimeter. You want to find position means v, then height of image and nature of image. Again, look, everyone should use the formula 1 upon v minus 1 upon u is 1 upon f. And from that, first tell me the value of v. Once you calculate v, tell me the answer, then only you should proceed further. Do the calculation of your own.
Sir,
Yes, what is the value
Sir,
of v?
minus 24.
Minus or plus?
Minus.
minus,
I think it should be plus because
plus
Yes, sir.
24,
Plus
sir.
24.
object distance, object is beyond the focal length. Once the object is kept beyond the focal length, image is formed to the opposite side. To the opposite side means you should get be positive, I think. You are getting negative, Shaila sir? Look now. One upon v minus one upon u is one upon f. So here we substitute the known values. 1 upon v minus u is minus 12. This is 1 upon f is 8. So therefore 1 upon v minus minus plus 1 upon 12. This is 1 upon 8. So therefore 1 upon v so therefore 1 upon v is equal to 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 12. This plus 1 upon 12 after shifting becomes minus. So 1 upon v is, now look, LCM is 24. 8 3s are 24. 12 2s are 24. So therefore 1 upon V, 3 minus 2. Now 3 is greater, which number is, whose sign is positive, so it is 1 upon 24. So V is equal to 24 centimeter. Means image distance V is 24 centimeter. Then second you want to find H2. Now from this can you find H2? Again use the
minus
formula.
14.
V upon U is equal to H2 upon H.
Minus 14.
Minus 14. Good. From that, can
minus
you
14.
trace the nature of image? What should be the nature of image? So see whether everyone getting H2 to be minus 14. Everyone got H2 to be minus 14, or everyone wants me to solve? Everyone got H2 minus 14?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So look now, H2 is minus 14 centimeter. Always remember, if H2 is negative. H2 negative means what? It is downward. Because this is right, it is downward. Means it is an inverted image. And you know, any inverted image is always real. Virtual image is irreal. Inverted image is real. So if H2 is negative, means the nature of image is real and inverted. Therefore, real and inverted image is formed. Real and inverted image is formed. This is the nature. You understand how to recognize the nature? If H2 is negative, means the image is formed below. Below this means it is a inverted. Any inverted image is always real. That is the total nature of the image is real and inverted. Now, for next one problem, I will just dictate the problem. Even I will not write the given thing. You should try to solve of your own to have practice. Okay? Convex lens. Convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter. It's placed at a distance of 12 centimeter at a distance of 12 centimeter from a wall WALL from a wall.
Can you repeat?
Convex lens of focal length 10 centimeter is placed at a distance of 12 centimeter from a wall WALL from a wall. How far from the lens? How far from the lens? How far from the lens? Should an object be placed? Should an object be placed so as to form its real image? Real image. Just go through the problem carefully. Whatever is given, that you should think carefully, then only start, because problem is little tricky.
Hello students, now visible. Okay. So we continue tomorrow's lecture, and I would like to finish today's molecular orbital. Okay, memo की आप finish करें. Though it is not part of our syllabus, syllabus में नहीं है, फिर भी oxygen इसके लिए molecular orbital theory हमने study किया. That the purpose to learn molecular orbital theory is oxygen
प्रॉब्लम करना है, प्रॉब्लम करने के लिए Can anyone tell me the answer?
molecular orbital theory.
Anyone got the answer? आज के दिन आज मिलकर
It's like 38. Recording के लिए ज़रूरत नहीं, जब तक